Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Sendlane Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. From there, click on Install and allow an install. And then you refresh your page. Scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The second tab is the tutorials tab, which is supposed to contain videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. The next tab is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. Let's start by setting up the application. Start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, you head to your Sendlane account online and you click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on API. Once in API, there click on API token and you give it a name. Then you click on Create. Copy the API token, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click on Complete Setup. The application has been set up successfully. The next tab is the Support tab, where you can create tickets or book live calls with our support team in case you have any issues. And finally, the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made if you toggle this on, fill in your email address, and click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.